Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well and you are staying safe. So as you can see, today I am totally decked up, gorgeous eye makeup going on because I'm going to talk about the newest launch of the brand tscosmetics, which is this particular 15 colors glitter eyeshadow palette, and the brand is very kind enough to send me over this one, guys. I have tried it and I've got a lot of things to talk about this product. This product looks super duper gorgeous, guys, as you can see. And it's been a long time since I have applied glitters on my eyes, so I have played with a number of shades from this palette and created this eye look, which I'm going to show you in this video. So you're going to see the tutorial of this eye look as well, along with my review, swatches and every detail about this particular palette. Really excited, guys. I know it will be helpful for you, but before that, make sure that you remain subscribed to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. So without any more blabbering, let's get started. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like, guys. So this is from the brand tscosmetics. It is our 15 color glitter eyeshadow palette, which looks something like this. This is available on the official website of tscosmetics, and this particular eyeshadow palette is priced at ₹999, and you're getting 15 pressed glitters in this particular palette, which looks something like this. So the packaging looks something like this, very basic black packaging, and when you open it, this is how the pressed glitter eyeshadow palette looks like. It comes with its own mirror, which is very easy to use. Now coming to the shades, which is a very important part when you are selecting glitters. Now this particular eyeshadow palette is having pretty much very useful glitters that you need to create any kind of eye look, guys. Not like super popping colors, but the shades are so beautiful that actually you will be using the most. So it is having like bronze copper shades, a peach, glitter peach, and it is having very chunky pressed glitters like the ocean blue shade, chunky rose gold shade, which I have applied on my eyes today. This particular glitter maroon is amazing, guys. It looks stunning. So you'll be getting really pretty shades which you'll be using the most, and all of these shades are going to work on all skin tones out there. Now coming to the formulation, guys, I'm going to put swatches and you'll be able to see that these glitters are not like very gritty kind of chunky glitters. These are having very fine texture, guys. You're going to feel the smoothness and the fineness of the product. So these are having very fine smooth texture, very easy to use when you are a beginner and you want to play with the glitters. So the formulation is very fine, which I really like, and some of the glitter shades in the palette are more on the very chunky side. That means you will find really nice like big glitter particles in it, which actually really look popping on the eyes, guys. You're gonna enjoy. So I have played around a lot of shades from this particular palette, guys, and I would say these pressed glitter eyeshadows work the best when you use this two-way gel from tscosmetics, guys. This is just a game-changing product. So you can use this particular clear transparent gel as a base on your eye makeup, and on top of that, when you apply your glitters, it looks super duper popping. It actually gets completely adhered to your eyelid and it's not gonna move. So this particular product works as your glitter glue. You can also use this product with your really pigmented like super shock eyeshadows, which are going to give you that punch. If you use this particular one, it's gonna make the pigment so much visible and it looks stunning on the eyes, guys. And I would say, as I have mentioned, this is a game-changing product because I have used today this particular one while applying the glitter eyeshadows, and I have seen I had zero fallout on my face. Yes, this is something that I would repurchase over and over again because it is so amazing. It completely made the glitters stuck on my eyelid and the glitters don't move. You can use this glitter eyeshadows in multiple ways. You can use it on your eyes, you can use it for any kind of body painting or something like that. Today I've used this glitter palette to create this eye look, which I'm gonna now show you, and after that I'm gonna talk about my final thoughts about this. Let's move on to the application of the product. So at first I'm going to take a basic mauve matte shade from one of my palettes. I'm going to use it as a wash of color on all over my eyelid and also on my crease as my transition color. You can use any mauve shade or basic brown shade for the application of glitters. Since I'm going to use a rose gold shade, so I have used a mauve matte shade. Now I'm going to use this two-way transparent gel from tscosmetics. I'm going to directly apply it on my eyelid, pat it over like this, and let the product sit on my eyelid for a minute or so that it becomes a little tacky, on which I'm going to apply the the actual glitter, which is this gorgeous rose gold shade from the palette known as Rosy. This stunning glitter looks so impressive, guys, because it is loaded with rose gold glitters, at the same time having very big chunky green iridescent glitter particles, which looks amazing when light hits on your face. And this worked the best when you apply it with the help of your fingertips, and you can see I'm defining the edges. It looks super intense, and the two-way gel has made the product stuck on my eyelid, and you can see not a single fallout on my skin, guys. I'm super duper impressed. And I'm going to use the shade called Ruby, which is actually a true maroon glitter shade. I'm going to apply it on the outer 2/3, basically 1/3 of my eyelid, to create a kind of gradient, basically to deepen the outer corner. I'm going to remove the excess from the edges using a fluffy blending brush, and you can see the glitters are so easy to use, guys. This is a gorgeous champagne color called Peach Fizz, which I'm going to use on the inner 1/3 of my eyelid to create a gradient, and it also has packed on so well, guys. So these glitters are so easy to use. You can simply apply any shade from the palette just on all over your eyelid, and you're done. Your eyes will be looking super duper gorgeous, guys. I'm going to wear a pair of falsies and eyeliner, and you can see this is how the final eye look turned out. Super duper gorgeous without any fallout on my face. So guys, I hope you have seen the application and the tutorial of this eye look. These glitter eyeshadows look stunning on the eyes, right? I am completely in love with each and every shade. The formulation is really good, very fine, not like very gritty glitters which are going to scratch my eyelid. It's not like that. Even the chunky, very starry sort of shades which you are gonna get in this palette are not having that super chunky grittiness. These look chunky, but it was very smooth while applying the product. The pigmentation is amazing, and as I have mentioned, guys, this two-way gel just completely changes the game. It made my eyeshadows look so popping. So once you apply it on top of this transparent gel, your glitter is going to stuck on your eyelid. It's not gonna move. The best part about this glitter palette which I have seen today is that these do not have any fallout. These are not like loose glitters which is going to fall off from your eyelid on the surface of your skin, and it's gonna make your whole face look glittery. You're not gonna get that kind of feeling after the application of these glitters, guys. So the pigmentation is amazing. You can use simply your fingertips for the application of the product, or else you can use your brush, but I would say fingers work the best with this kind of glitters because you can pack on the eyeshadow so well on your eyelid, guys. I really love how versatile the shades are, which are going to work on so many skin tones out there. For $9.99 bucks, you're getting something like this. You're having 15 glitter eyeshadows in a single palette, which I think you'll be using the most, and it's perfect for using for any kind of special occasions for the brides out there. If you want something, if you don't want to buy glitters separately, just have everything in one single palette, this is something that you can definitely try out, guys. And also I like to mention, guys, that I am wearing this makeup since a long time. I have filmed a couple of videos, so as you can see, it's there, and it's so humid, so hot in Kolkata. I had my AC on, but still you can see the product has not moved from my eyelid. It's looking as if it's freshly applied, so it's very long wearing as well. So for the brides out there, if you are a beginner and if you want to play with the glitters, this is something that you can definitely check out. I'm going to put the link in the description box. If you want, you can surely have a look on that. This is not at all sponsored. The brand is very kind enough to send me over this palette, and I have tried it. I liked it. That's why I have put a review on this one, guys, so you can definitely have a look. So I hope that this video has helped you. If it did, do not forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. We'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.